Hello guys and welcome back. If you want to use Printful, then connect it to Amazon and you don't know how, don't worry, you have come to the right place. Make sure to watch this tutorial to the end to get the maximum benefit. Now without any further delay, let's get started. First, you need to create your own account on Printful. Let's sign up. And you have to fill this information, or you just can connect with Google, Apple, or Facebook. Since I already have an account, I will just log in. And here is your dashboard. So we are basically gonna create our own product, then connect to Amazon. So to make your own first product, go and navigate to product templates, then select the type of product that you want to make. In this tutorial, we are gonna make a t-shirt. So let's just choose one of these, or you can create your own product template from here. I prefer to create it from here, and then let's search for the category we are interested in. We are interested in men's clothing. So let's pick it up. Then let's choose maybe a white t-shirt, round neck. I think this one is good enough. So let's pick it up. And here it's preparing our product. It usually takes less than a minute, and here we are. So first of all, we need to drop our design here. So you can just click on this one, upload a new file, and choose your logo. So here I have prepared it before. I will just upload it. And let's pick it up. After your logo has been uploaded, just press on apply, and here it will be applied to your t-shirt. So after applying it, you can just navigate downward and wait for the other settings to be loaded. Until it's loaded, we can remove the background from here so that it will be only the logo which exists on our t-shirt. And now here we are. I just want the color to be white as it was in the preview, so I will navigate to product. Here I can see other settings like the technique, like the color, like the sizes, and other options. So here I will choose a white t-shirt, and I will choose all sizes. So perfect. Now let's return once more to the layers and choose our logo. Here you can manipulate all your logo properties from here. From transform, you can control its rotation, its size, and either to flip it horizontally or vertically. You can also control its position from here. The alignment, you can manipulate it whichever you want. And after finishing, you can just navigate. And before we navigate, there are here other options like placements that you can decide which specific spot to place your logo, and full screen preview, but we will keep it to the end, and grid and zooming. So now let's navigate to the back and upload another logo here. Let's upload a new file, and let's choose this one that I have prepared before this video and wait for it to upload. And here I think it finished uploading. So let's apply it. You can control the size from here. Just cancel this one. it will not let you upload it until a specific size. Then it will ask you to scale down. So we just scaled it down, and I think this size is enough. Let's just move it upward a little bit, and before saving, we will remove the background again, and voila. So I basically added the logo that I wanted. I can preview before saving my template. I can also, as I mentioned before, manipulate the properties of the t-shirt itself, like the color, like the size. I can also choose more than one color. I will cancel this one, and I will choose bright colors like this and this. And I think, no, this is not bright. Let's choose this one instead. And let's preview to check our product before saving the template. Press on this, and here it goes. So you can now save the template, and your product template is saved. So let's navigate to this product, and you can add it. Before adding it to store, I will return to the edit, and I will show you one more feature. Here you can also lock edits on your logo, so it will stay unchanged no matter what changes you make. So let's return back and save product template. Now, after saving your template, you need to export it to your products. So let's just go to it and press on Add Store, and it will tell you that you need to connect to a store first. Then let's press on Connect Store, and here it will show you choose platform first. It will show you many applications that you can use to connect your Printful with. So let's navigate and search for Amazon, and here it is. So to connect to Amazon, it gives you a quick guide on how to connect to it in details. So you first need to register for your Amazon Seller Central account, and you have to connect to the business or professional plan, which costs you $40 per month. Next, you need to choose the Amazon regions you want to sell on. Next, you need to set up your brand and adding and synchronizing your products. So just as a quick overview on Amazon plans, let's navigate to Amazon and see pricing. Here you can see the selling plans. As I told you before, you have to subscribe to the professional plan because this is what allows you to connect your Amazon with your Printful account. And here are all the features that you can get from the professional plan. Finally, before concluding our video, to be honest, I don't recommend using Printful because it's a little bit expensive. So there are many other alternatives that you can find and can give you the same exact features. However, I made this video for you guys because you asked for this tutorial. So I decided to show you how you can work on Printful, but I don't recommend using it because it's expensive compared to the other platforms. So hopefully that was useful for you guys. If you want to receive similar content, then don't forget and press like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next videos. Have a wonderful day.